Hey guys, welcome to another WordPress tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix or change the URL on a page for a website. But before we go to the tutorial, let me invite you guys to give me a like and subscribe if you like this video. So let's begin with the tutorial. So first we're going to go to our website that I am working on, and here you can see the menus. And right here, if we click here, you're gonna see it change to, this is the domain, rdidecals.com/home. This is where we are right now. Now let's gonna click here and it's gonna show store. We're gonna click here and it's gonna show YouTube. Now for this fourth one, I wanna change this experience to news feed because I'm gonna add a news feed for what's trending on my channel or on my social media. So here I'm gonna put some news feed for the people that will come to my website. But how do I change the URL? Now, most people will make this mistake, especially beginners like me. They will go to Avada Edit Live, and by the way, I'm using Avada, the web developer, for making this website. And I invite you guys to check out my channel. I got other WordPress tutorials there. So let's keep going. So most people will go here, Edit Live. Okay, this is what most people will do, and they will go to edit the header. And the header, that's where you're gonna find your menu. Now they're gonna click here and then they're gonna go here because we want to change again experience to newsfeed. Okay, this is what most people will do, and they will choose the name of the theme, which is resume homepage menu, edit menu. All right, so here we are. Most people will go here to the menus on WordPress. You can also go to appearance and you will see this list, and go to menus is the same thing. Okay, but most people will try to change it here. So we're gonna scroll down and change this to, again, news feed. Okay, and we're gonna do this here, news feed. All right, so now we got this fixed and saved to the menu. So most people will say, okay, this fixed the problem. So they're gonna go to newsfeed. You see that the experience it's now gone. It's newsfeed now, but it's not doing anything, right? So before we change it, it was going to each page every time we click. I mean, the URL was fixed, but it's not working anymore. So how do I fix this problem? See that it's not doing anything. So we're gonna go to edit page, and then we're gonna go look for newsfeed or experience, which is the same one that we are right here. Okay, now we're gonna click here and we're gonna change this to newsfeed. Okay, I mean, you can do it if you are gonna edit this later just so you can find it, but I always like to change all of this so I can find it quicker if I'm going to edit here. Okay, now that one's fixed, but we still gotta do something else. We gotta go here to container, make sure it's the blue one, container. We're gonna click, scroll down, and see, this is the one that we gotta change. We're gonna erase it and make sure you don't start with a capital letter because that's gonna mess up your menus or your experience. You know what, let's do that. you'll see what I mean. Okay, save and update. You gotta update. Make sure you don't forget that. Now let's open a new page. Okay, so if we go down to newsfeed, it's still not doing anything. Why? Because I mentioned it. You started with a capital letter. You're supposed to keep it all uh, small letters, okay? So we're gonna go back, scroll down, and get rid of the capital N and just do a small letter, okay? Save and update. Now let's watch the magic. Refresh and newsfeed. Ta-da! Fixed. See that? A small detail can make the difference. So yeah, hopefully you guys get some new information. If you are a beginner, you are learning with Elementor or Avada Builder, uh, you can watch more tutorials on my channel. Or if you're not interested in web development or web design, I also have some software tutorials, CorelDRAW. I have LumaFusion and other softwares and systems so you can learn how to work from home. Thank you guys. I appreciate your time, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys again very soon.